Hey everyone, welcome back to daily episodes of Y Team Hot Wheels. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels Elite64 model has a Porsche 963. The estimated release date to be known, so check out the sneak peek of this complete lineups. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels RLC car has a 1992 Acura NSX. A sneak peek of a new upcoming Hot Wheels car culture has a 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser has a chase model. A sneak peek of a Hot Wheels premium model as a Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34, which was shown at a Los Angeles 39th Annual Hot Wheels Collectors Convention. The all-new upcoming RLC car as a Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34. Check out the details and the engine peek. Now let's check out some super premium models by Tarmac Works. Presents a RWB 911 body kit as a Rodsman racing livery. You can pre-order this car via authorized resellers. Our second car by Tarmac Works presents a Vertex tuned Toyota Aristo JZS 161. Pre-order has been started. And a third car by Tarmac Works presents a Vertex Takahiro Ueno Ridge TE3005 Soarer. The pre-order has been started. Now let's check out a sneak peek of the all-new upcoming cars for 2026 by minigt, BBR, Takahiro House and many more. So check out the sneak peek of this complete lineups. A WM Models presents a Hydra Skirmid V16 Sports. Color of the cars are electroplated silver and red, made from die-cast. Releasing on December 2025. So check out a sneak peek of this car. A CM Models presents a Pagani Zonda Revo Parchetta 1 of 1. Color of car Mara Livery, made from die-cast. Releasing between January and March 2026. Our second car by CM Models presents a Toyota Sequoia. Color of a car grey, made from die-cast. Releasing between January and March 2026. So collectors, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications, and also don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.